Hello guys, welcome to the video. In today's video I will going to show you product key for all versions from 2010 to 2022. The information is collected from official website of Autodesk. Also I will mention official link of Autodesk for more information in the description. Before going further, if you not subscribe our channel, please support us, subscribe the channel, press the notification bell icon to get all updates. Hey, if you not subscribe our channel, please support us, subscribe the channel, press the notification bell icon to get all updates.